myself Prayag Patel, working as an assistant professor in IT/ICT department of LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Now in today's video lecture, I will discuss about the Stresson's algorithm for matrix multiplication. Now we already know the simple matrix multiplication technique. Here for example, consider the simple matrix multiplication operation. Multiply following two matrices. Here consider the first matrices as a matrix 1 3 7 5 2 cross 2 matrix. Second matrix consider as a 6 8 4 2 means 2 cross 2 matrix. Now how multiply or simply multiply these two matrix? So answer consider as a first row multiply with the first column, first row multiply with the second column, then second row with first column, then second row with second column. So in this case consider answer as a 1 cross 6 plus 3 cross 4 as a first component, then 1 cross 8 plus 3 cross 2 as a second component, then 7 cross 6 plus 5 cross 4 as a third component, and 7 cross 8 plus 5 cross 2 as a fourth component. To multiply these 2 cross 2 matrices, total 8 scalar multiplication are required, because here total 8 times we can perform this scalar multiplication. So 2 raised to 3 scalar multiplication required for multiplying these two matrices. Now for example, consider the equation for the simple matrix multiplication. In this case we not use the divide and conquer technique, but Stresson's algorithm. In Stresson's algorithm we use the divide and conquer technique. So in general, A and B are two 2 cross 2 matrices to be multiplied. Then A consider as a A11, A12, A21, A22 as your argument. Now for B variable consider A11, B11, B12, B21, B22 as your value. Now C equal to A11, C equal to A11, B11, A21, A22 multiply B11, B12, B21, B22. So C equal to C11, C12, C21, C22. So what is the value of C11? C11 means first row multiply with first column. So A11, B11 plus A12, B21. C12 equal to A11, B12 plus A12, B22. C21 equal to A21, B11 plus A22, B21. And C22 equal to A21, B12 plus A22, B22. So this is a simple formula for find the matrix multiplication result as a normal method. Compute each entry in the product takes n multiplication, and there are n square entries for a total complexity for this multiplication consider as a big O of n cube. So in using the normal method of matrix multiplication, we will get the answer or complexity as a big O of n cube. Now Stresson's use some different equation for find the matrix multiplication and become the complexity less than the big O of n cube or decrease the complexity. So what is the Stresson's algorithm? Consider the problem of multiplying two n cross n matrices. Stresson's divide a better method which has the same basic method as the multiplication of long integer. The main idea is to save one multiplication on a smaller problem and then use the recurrence. Means in normal method we consider the total 8 multiplication operation. So Stresson used the different equation and perform the same multiplication using the 7 multiplication operation, not required the 8 multiplication. That's why Stresson's algorithm complexity is less than normal method. For example, consider the first array as a A11, A12, A21, A2. Here consider the value as a A2. And second B consider as a B11, B12, B21 and B2. Now multiply these two matrices. What is the equation? Here first equation is S1. S1 equal to A11 plus A22, B11 plus B22. Because in Stresson's method we have a total S1 to S7 equation, and after finding the value of S1 to S7 we will get the final C11, C12, C21 and C2. So first equation is this. Now second is equation S2 equal to A21 plus A22 multiply with B11. Now third S3 equal to A11 multiply B12 minus B22. So first perform the subtraction, then multiply. Now S4 equal to A22 into B21 minus B11. S5 equal to A11 plus A12 multiply B22. S6 equal to A21 minus A11 multiply B11 plus B12. S7 equal to A12 minus A22 multiply B21 plus B22. Now after finding the S1 to S7 from the given two matrix A and B, find the C11 as a first component, S1 plus S4 minus S5 plus S7 as a C11. Now C12 equal to S3 plus S5, third C21 equal to S2 plus S4 and C22 equal to S1 plus S3 minus S2 plus S6. So this is the equation for find the solution of the matrix multiplication problem using Strasson's algorithm. This equation also written in another way. So consider the another way of Strasson's equation. Here consider the another way of equation is like, here different 10 operation, addition, subtraction operation will be done. So all the addition and subtraction operation is performed in equation P1, P2, P3 up to P10 form. So first we perform this 10 addition or subtraction operation. After that we multiply this operation with the resultant element. So P1 equal to B12 minus B22. P2 equal to A11 plus A12. P3 equal to A21 plus A22. P4 equal to B21 minus B11. P5 equal to A11 plus A22. P6 equal to B11 plus B22. P7 equal to A12 minus A22. P8 equal to B21 plus B22. P9 equal to A21 minus A11. And P10 equal to B11 plus B12. So what is this P1 to P10? Simply in this first equation, we have a 10 different addition or subtraction operation. This operation name consider as a P1, P2 up to P10. Simply we can compare these two equations. So you can use first equation or you can use second equation. So you can perform any method. Now in second equation part, first we find the P1 to P10, then find the S1 to S7. So S1 equal to P5 multiply P6. Simply we can compare these two. P5 means A11 plus A22. So here in S1, first part is A11 plus A22. Multiply with P6. What is P6? B11 plus B22. So second part is B11 plus B22 in S1 equation. Now S2. S2 equal to P3 multiply B11. S3 equal to A11 multiply P1. S4 equal to A22 multiply P5. S5 equal to P2 multiply B22. S6 equal to P9 multiply P10. S7 equal to P7 multiply P8. So this is a simple equation of S1 to S7. Now after that, final answer is C11, C12, C21 and C22. So C11 equal to S1 plus S4 minus S5 plus S7. Same equation. C12 equal to S3 plus S5. C21 equal to S2 plus S4. And C22 equal to S1 plus S3 minus S2 plus S6. So this is the same equation, but first case is a normal case. Second is some simplified case of the Strasson's equation. Now according to second equation pair, we consider the one example and solve this example using Strasson's algorithm for matrix multiplication. First matrix A is a example number 1. A equal to 1375, B equal to 6842. Now C equal to A multiply B. What is the answer of C? That's why first we divide this array into sub array. So A11, A12, what is the value of A11? A11 means first location 1. A12 means 3. A21 means 7. A22 means 5. Now same way we find the value of B11. B11 equal to 6. B12 equal to 8. B21 equal to 4. And B22 equal to 2. Now after this value A11 to A22 and B11 to B22, find our equation P1, P2, P3 like this. So P1 equal to B12 minus B22. So B12 means here consider the value as 8 minus 2 equal to 6. P2 equal to A11 plus A12 means 1 plus 3 equal to 4. P3 equal to A21 plus A22. We have a value of A21 plus A22. So 7 plus 5 equal to 12. P4 equal to B21 minus B11 equal to 4 minus 6 equal to minus 2. P5 equal to A11 plus A22, so 1 plus 5 equal to 6. P6 equal to B11 plus B22, so 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Then P7 equal to A12 minus A22 equal to 3 minus 5 equal to minus 2. Now P8. P8 equal to B21 plus B22, so 4 plus 2 equal to 6. P9 equal to A21 minus A11, so 7 minus 1 equal to 6. Then P10 equal to B11 plus B12, so 6 plus 8 equal to 14. So first we find the value of P1 to P10. Now find the S1 to S7. So what is the equation of S1 to S7? For the S1, equation is P5 multiply with P6. So 6 multiply 8 equal to 48. S2 equal to P3 multiply B11. So 12 multiply 6 equal to 72. Now next is S3 equal to A11 multiply P1 means 1 multiply 6 equal to 6. S4 equal to A22 multiply P4 equal to 5 multiply minus 2 equal to minus 10. Next value S5. S5 equal to P2 multiply B11 equal to 4 multiply 2 equal to 8. S6 equal to P9 multiply P10 means 6 multiply 10 equal to 84. Then S7 equal to P7 multiply P8 means minus 2 multiply with 6 means minus 12. So here in this case A11, A12, A21, A22 all the values consider as a single value, not as a submatrix. That's why we can directly multiply this value and find the value of S1 to S7. Now after the finding the value of S1 to S7, we have all the value of S1 to S7. Okay. Now find the C11, C12, C21 and C22. So what is the equation of C11? C11 equal to S1 plus S4 minus S5 plus S7 equal to, we have all the value of S1 to S7. So put the value 48 minus 10 minus 8 minus 12 equal to 18. C12 equal to S3 plus S5. So 6 plus 8 equal to 14. C21 equal to S2 plus S4. So 72. S2 minus S4. So here value consider as a 62. C22 equal to S1 plus S3 minus S2 plus S6. So 48 plus 6 minus 72 plus 84 equal to 64. So final answer is become like this. C equal to 18, 14, 62, 66. So this is a simple method how we can find the solution for this Stresson's matrix algorithm using this example. Now if we have only 2 cross 2 matrix, then no need to divide this problem into subproblems. But consider the second example, how we can divide this problem into subproblem and how we can find the solution of this subproblem. So here consider the first matrix as a, second matrix is as a B. Now multiply A with B. Then what is the value of matrix A and what is the value of matrix B? Or what is the value of A11, A12, A21 and A22? So first 4 cross 4 matrix and second one is also 4 cross 4 matrix. For dividing this matrix, consider the n by 2 element in each submatrix. So first 4 cross 4 divided by 4 by 2 means 2. So 2 cross 2 matrix is divided from the 4 cross 4 matrix. So first here consider this 4 element 5, 3, 4, 3 as a A11, 0, 2, 2, 6 as a A12, 7, 8, 9, 4 as a A21 and 1, 4, 6, 7 as a A22. For the second matrix B, 3, 2, 2, 5 as a B11, 4, 7, 2, 9 as a B12, 3, 9, 7, 6 as a B21 and 0, 3, 2, 1 as a B2. So divide this matrix into this submatrix as a 2 cross 2 matrix. So here after dividing we will get this type of matrix divided. Now after that find the P1, P2 up to P10. What is the P1? P1 means B12 minus B22. So B12 means not only one value. This is a 2 cross 2 matrix. That's why here perform the matrix addition or subtraction operation for P1 to P10. So P1 equal to B12 minus B22. So 4, 7, 2, 9 minus 0, 3, 2, 1. So these two consider as a matrix. How we can perform the matrix subtraction? 4 minus 0 equal to 4, 7 minus 3 equal to 4, 2 minus 9, 2 minus 2 equal to 0, then 9 minus 1 equal to 8 as a P1. Now P2 equal to A11 plus A12. So 5, 3, 4, 3 plus 0, 2, 2, 6. So result equal to 5, 5, 6, 9. Same way you can perform the operation for P3. P3 equal to A21 plus A22. So we will get the answer as a 8, 12, 15, 11 as a P3. Now P4. P4 means B21 minus B11. So 3976 minus 3225 equal to 0751. Now next find P5. Result as a 6, 7, 10, 10. Same way we can find the P6 as a 3, 5, 4, 6. Same way we find the P7 minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 1. Then P8 3, 12, 9, 7. Then P9 2, 5, 5, 1. And P10 equal to B11 plus B12 equal to 3, 2, 2, 5 plus 7, 4, 2, 9 equal to 7, 9, 4, 14. So this is a P1 to P10, 10 addition or subtraction operation on your divided matrix. So after performing this P1 to P10 operation, next step is find the value of the S1 to S7. Now we have already value of P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9 and P10. Now here P1 to P10 not considered as a simple value. Here P1 to P10 considered as a matrix, 2 cross 2 matrix. So next operation is S1, S2, S3. Now first consider the S1 equation. S1 equal to P5 multiply P6. So P5 means matrix 6, 7, 10, 10. P6 means another matrix 3, 5, 4, 6. Now multiply these two matrices. So for multiplication of these two matrices, same way you can perform the operation like matrix multiplication using Stresson's algorithm. So you cannot directly multiply these two matrices as a first row multiply with first column, because if we perform the operation like first row multiply with first column, then complexity considered as a n cube, means total 8 multiplication is required. But in Stresson's algorithm we perform this operation using only 7 multiplication. So repeatedly, recursively, you divide this problem into sub problem as a 6 as a A11, 7 as a A12, 10 as a A21, another 10 as a A22, 3 as a B11, 5 as a B12, 4 as a B21 and 6 as a B22. Then apply the P, find the P1 to P10, then find the S1 to S7, then find the C11, C12, C22 and C21 and C22. So we will get the final answer as a S1 equal to 46, 72, 70, 110. But find this value using the recurrence method. Now next consider as a S2. S2 means P3 multiply with B1. P3 means 8, 12, 15, 11 as a one matrix. B11 means 3, 2, 2, 5 as a another matrix. Now multiply these two matrix and resultant matrix consider as a 48, 76, 67, 85. But this process is recursively. First find the P1 to P7, P1 to P10, then S1 to S7, then C11, C12, C21 and C22. Now same way find the S3. S3 equal to A11 multiply P1. So A11 means 5, 3, 4, 3 multiply with the 4, 4, 0, 8. So resultant matrix is 20, 44, 16, 40. Now as for A22 multiply P4 equal to 1, 4, 6, 7 multiply with 0, 7, 5, 1. So resultant consider as a 20, 11, 35, 49. Now S5 find according to P2 multiply with B11. So P2 means 5, 5, 6, 9. B22 means 0, 3, 2, 1. So multiply these two matrix and resultant matrix as a 10, 20, 18, 27. Now next is S6. S6 equal to P9 multiply P10 means 2, 5, 5, 1 multiply with this 7, 9, 4, 14. So resultant matrix as a 34, 88, 39, 59. Now last one is a S7. P7 multiply with P8 means -1, -2, -4, -1 multiply with the 3, 12, 9, 7. So resultant matrix is -21, -26, -21, -55 according to recurrence method. So we find the S1 to S7 value as a recursive call of all the functions of this Stresson's algorithm. Now after that find the value of the C11, C12, C21 and C22. So we have already value of S1 to S7. Now first equation is C11. C11 equal to S1 plus S4 minus S5 plus S7. So put the value of S1, S4, S5 and S7 as a 2 cross 2 matrix. Then addition or subtraction operation of the given matrix. So here C11 equal to final answer as a 35, 37, 66, 77. Now for the C2, S3 plus S5. So S3 and S5 both consider as a 2 cross 2 matrix. So 20, 44, 16, 40, 10, 20, 18, 27. Addition of these two matrix as a 30, 64, 34, 67. Now next value is a C of 2, equal to S2 plus S4. So 48, 76, 67, 85 plus 20, 11, 35, 49. So final answer of C21 equal to 68, 87, 102, 134. Now last one is C2. C22 equal to S1 plus S3 minus S2 plus S6. So final answer of C22 equal to 52, 128, 58, 124. So after that we have all the value of C11, C12, C21 and C22. So here C11 equal to 35, 37, 66, 77. C12 equal to 30, 64, 34, 67. C21 equal to 68, 87, 102, 134. And C22 equal to 52, 128, 58, 124. Now after that, combining these four components of the matrix C. So how we can combine? At the first place we put the C11 matrix. Second place put the C12, then next consider C21 and last position consider C22 matrix. So put the 2 cross 2 matrix into the 4 cross 4 matrix in this way and we will get the final answer of the Stresson's algorithm for matrix multiplication. So using this example we simply understand that how we can divide the problem into sub problem and how we can find the solution of the Stresson's algorithm for matrix multiplication problem. Now consider the steps of the Stresson's matrix multiplication algorithm. First step of Stresson's matrix multiplication algorithm, first step, divide the input matrix A and B and output matrix C into n by 2 cross n by 2 submatrix. Means first divide the n size matrix into the n by 2 size of submatrix. This step takes the theta of one time by index calculation because we simply divide the matrix into submatrix using simple index calculation. So time equal to theta of 1. Step number 2, create 10 matrix P1, P2, P3 up to P10, each of which is size n by 2 cross n by 2 and is the sum of the difference of two matrix create in step number 1. We can create all the 10 matrix in theta of n square time. So here perform the P1 to P10 addition and subtraction operation require theta n square. Step number 3. Using the submatrices created in step number 1 and 10 matrices created in step number 2, recursively compute the 7 matrix multiplication S1, S2, S3 up to S7. Each matrix Si is n by 2 cross n by 2 size. So for finding the n S1 to S7, we perform the 7 matrix multiplication operation of n by 2 cross n by 2 matrix. So compute the desired submatrix C11, C12, C21, C22 of the resultant matrix C by adding and subtracting various combination of the Si matrix. So we can compute all four submatrix in theta of n square time. So for last step addition or subtraction we require the n square time. Now consider the analysis part of the Stresson's algorithm. When n greater than 1, step 1, 2 and 4 takes the total of theta n square time and step 3 require us to perform the 7 matrix multiplication of n by 2 cross n by 2 matrices. So if n is greater than 1 means we have a 2 cross 2 matrix or 4 cross 4 matrix or 8 cross 8 matrix, then step 1, 2 and 3 perform the operation of matrix addition multiplication like n square time. And step 3 perform the multiplication of n by 2 cross n by 2 matrix. Now what is the recurrence relation for this Stresson's matrix multiplication? So T of n equal to 7Tn by 2 plus n square. If n greater than 1 means if the n is not 1 greater than 1 means 2 cross 2 4 cross 4 like this, then total 7 multiplication of n by 2 elements. So we can write this 7tn by 2 plus n square. T of n equal to 1 if n equal to 1. If we have a 1 cross 1 matrix, then simple answer is 1. Now what is the value of n square? So here n square consider as our addition of two matrix or subtraction of two matrix. So this is a recurrence relation for Strasson's matrix multiplication. Now solve this recurrence relation using any method of the substitution method or forward substitution or backward substitution or master's method. Now consider the recurrence relation, consider the master's method equation. T of n equal to atn by b plus f of n. Now find the equation. What is the equation? Case 1, 2 and 3. T of n equal to theta n raised to d if a less than b raised to d. T of n equal to theta n raised to d log n if a equal to b raised to d. T of n equal to theta n raised to log a base b if a greater than b raised to d. And consider the function f of n as a theta of n raised to d. Now T of n equal to 70 n by 2 plus n square. So a equal to 7, b equal to 2 and d equal to 2. So 7 greater than 2 raised to 2 condition is satisfied? Yes. Then a greater than b raised to d condition is satisfied. So consider the case number 3. In case number 3, what is the equation? T of n equal to theta n raised to log a base b. So here put the value of a and b. So theta n raised to log 7 base 2. Now find the value of log 7 base 2. What is the value? 2.81. How we can find the log 7 base 2? Consider the log 7 divide by log 2 and find the final answer of log 7 base 2. So theta n raised to 2.81 consider as a final answer of T of n. So time complexity of this Strasson's matrix multiplication algorithm is theta n raised to 2.81. If we perform the matrix multiplication as a normal method, then complexity is n cube. But we use the divide and conquer technique and perform the operation using Strasson's matrix multiplication algorithm. Then complexity considered as a n raised to 2.81. So less than our old example or old algorithm. So this is our analysis of the Strasson's matrix multiplication algorithm. In today's video lecture, we discuss about the how we can find the Strasson's matrix multiplication example solution. Also consider the 4 steps of algorithm and analysis part of the Strasson's algorithm. Thank you for watching this video.